Hey builders, in this tutorial I'll show you how to integrate a Supabase for authentication and database features directly into your Bolt generated app. It's fast, powerful, and no backend headaches. So let's get started. First, you need to prompt the Bolt. Use a prompt like this. Create a user dashboard with Supabase authentication and simple notes database. The Bolt will generate an app scaffolding HTML, CSS frontend, and JS integration hooks. Then here you can set up the Supabase project. Go to supabase.com, and then here you can sign in and create a new project. Then under this application, under the settings, click the API and copy your project URL and non-public key. Then add a Supabase script to your Bolt projects. Bolt generated app supporting the JS libraries in index HTML. Then here you can add the initialize the script.js like this. And also you can add authentication, just sign up or log in. And here's the tip. You can call this from forms buttons into your HTML. And then you can create a read a notes from databases. Create a notes table in a Supabase, then in script.js. Then test in the Bolt's preview pane. The Bolt lets you run everything in your browser. Just hook these functions to buttons and inputs in your front end. And that's how you integrate a Supabase for both authentication and database in Bolt generated app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.